Solar birdbath fountains harness the power of the sun to create an inviting, bubbly watering hole for birds. These fixtures are a convenient alternative to electric fountain birdbaths, since the solar panels don't require a cumbersome power cord. The best solar birdbaths have an attractive design, a reliable solar power system, and are made from durable and easy-to-clean materials. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best solar birdbath fountains you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Estefanlo 3-Watt Solar Fountain. LED lights can add even more visual interest to a solar fountain birdbath, making it a lovely fixture for use in the evening as well as through the day. This solar floating fountain from Estefanlo is equipped with 6 colorful LED lights to add a gorgeous glow and pop of color to a birdbath. The LED bulbs automatically switch on at night, and users can either choose a color or set the unit to cycle through its colors. There are also 7 spray styles to choose from for even more personality. As a floating birdbath, this unit is easy to install. Just pop it into a large enough existing birdbath in a sunny area. The 7-inch diameter has amply sized solar panels to power both the water fountain and the lighting. The battery backup provides 1 to 4 hours of water flow and lighting to let this fountain work into the night. Number 4. Eco-worthy Solar Fountain Water Pump Kit. For a flexible way to convert a water fixture into a fountain birdbath, consider this eco-worthy kit with a separate solar panel. It includes a submersible pump powered by a separate solar panel on a lengthy 16-foot cord. One nice factor about this model is the small pump size. Unlike floating birdbaths or large birdbath conversion kits, the pump can fit in almost any water fixture. The separate solar panel allows for the conversion of a ground birdbath, a hanging birdbath, or a pedestal birdbath into a fountain model, while the long cord allows users to place the panel in a sunny spot up to 16 feet away. Number 3. Aisitin 3.5-Watt Solar Fountain. Those with an existing traditional birdbath can quickly and inexpensively convert it into a beautiful bubbling model with this floating, freestanding solar fountain. It can be easily added to a pedestal, a hanging birdbath, or a ground birdbath. As an added value, the pump includes 6 water nozzle types, so users can explore different spray effects, with the maximum nozzle producing a spray of an eye-catching height of 2.6 feet. This solar fountain has a 7.1-inch diameter, pretty much entirely composed of solar panels, to harness ample energy for a powerful water flow. This creates a more stable and higher fountain spray than those of smaller solar fountains. The pump switches on automatically when exposed to enough sunlight, and if the birdbath runs empty, an automatic shut-off feature keeps the pump from running dry. Number 2. Sunnydaze 2-Tier Solar Fountain with Battery Backup. Fabulous and functional, this 2-tier fountain from Sunnydaze enhances outdoor spaces while giving birds ample areas to bathe and drink. The fountain features an ornate pedestal design with an eye-catching spiral top, lipped basins, and a traditional center column. It's made from a durable resin and fiberglass material that offers a more substantial look and weight than poly-resin options. The solar pump is powered by a separate solar panel, which allows for more flexible placement. Once charged by the sun, the battery backup allows users to switch the fountain on for up to 4 hours in the evening or on cloudy days. Number 1. Vivohome Antique Birdbath and Solar-Powered Fountain. Installing a birdbath is simple and straightforward with this attractive set from Vivohome. This easy-to-assemble birdbath comes together in 4 twist-on pieces, no tools required. Users can then add the optional solar water fountain pump to turn it into a birdbath fountain, or omit it for a regular pedestal birdbath. The poly-resin material makes this birdbath durable and easy to clean. At 4.4 pounds, this model is super lightweight, so it's a breeze to move it around the garden to find the best spot to attract birds. Stakes are included to anchor the birdbath into the ground, and its hollow pillar can also be filled with gravel or sand to add weight. The fountain is a simple solar-powered pump and comes with 4 fountain heads. The pump has suction cups to keep the fountain in place, although some users have complained that these can be finicky. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.